So, if your PS5 controller is showing Xbox button prompts in Steam, don't worry, this is a very common Steam input issue. It usually happens because the controller settings are not configured correctly. Let me show you how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Open Steam controller settings. Open Steam, then click Steam, top left, then Settings, then Controller. Step 2. Turn off Xbox Steam input. Make sure Enable Steam input for Xbox controllers is turned off. Step 3. Adjust PlayStation controller support. Set PlayStation controller support to not enabled and apply the changes. Step 4. Enable generic controller support. Turn on Enable Steam input for generic controllers, then close settings. Step 5. Change settings per game. Right-click the game, then Properties, then Controller. Select Disable Steam input. Restart the game and check the button prompts.